I have tried average and top-of-the-line cargo electric bike options last year, and these e-bikes are changing the way we organize our lifestyle, move around and do things today, continuously changing patterns and evolving. I saw recently and I posted the specialized cargo e-bike model, and I need to comment on this e-bike. I like the new design a lot. Looks so different than traditional cargo electric bike, but the most important thing is Specialized is dropping prices, which is great, but still it's out of the reach for majority of the riders. I recently posted a video between Vitelon and the electric XP 3.0 model, and I want to follow up on this debate, so I decided to get the electric Expedition model, the new cargo electric bike that is priced below the market average level, and do detailed testing and review, which is happening this weekend into the following week. So that video is coming very soon, guys, but all of the above options are designed for city roads, smaller wheels, no suspension. I have not tried or seen a cargo e-bike option that is dual suspension, 26-inch tire size, designed to handle sand, mud, and extreme off-road. Today, we will be testing the Tesgo Explorer electric bike, a fat tire 26 by 4 inches dual suspension e-bike that is set up as a cargo. I tested recently the Electric Explorer model that is the best priced 26 by 4 inch fat tire e-bike with awesome suspension at $1569 US. Ecotric, it's much shorter frame though. The Tesgo Explorer is priced even lower than Ecotric. And I think it might be even a better fat tire e-bike option, since the frame is longer stretch and has a bigger battery capacity, and this really useful front and rear rack included when you order it. Let's unbox it and check out this new e-bike and see how it performs, go over the pros and cons, and see if this is a better fat tire 26-inch e-bike option. And I can't believe all of this e-bike you get for only $1,299 US, and on top of that, a $50 discount code on the website. So this is the new Tesco Explorer electric bike. Let's unbox it and check it out. This is standard packaging, same as you guys see on any other bikes, well packed. All right, so this is the bike. Let's see what we got here. Pretty well wrapped here. Pretty compact, so it is 48 volts, 17.5 amp hour capacity or 840 watts. Yeah, this is very compact, very thin and light. And here's the bike fully assembled, and for this price you get a lot of good stuff here. Let's go over all the parts in detail. We have a 750 watt Bafang rear hub motor, and these are workhorse reliable motors. Advertised 95 Newton meter of torque. The battery is 17.5 amp hour capacity, and it's quite compact and light for this size. This is the first e-bike in the lowest price range, but with above 15 amp hour battery capacity. And we have LG cells in here. Majority of the bikes on this price range are between 13 to 15 amp hour capacity. The Ecotric Explorer, the bike that I really like, and the cheapest in this class, is 13 amp hour capacity. The grips are awesome. Good compact console, big display, colored, Shimano SIS 7-speed shifter, standard that we see on so many budget e-bikes. And I like to see here Shimano Alivio. And here's a cool feature, the display has this USB port that will allow you to charge your phone or any other portable devices on a go. Drivetrain is a Shimano entry level, which is to be expected at this price level, that works well. We have a 7-speed cassette and the controller positioned right under the battery for easy access. The brakes are surprisingly hydraulics and are very good on this bike. I tested the same brakes on the scooter or Barder X7. The brakes are 4 pistons and 160mm disc brakes, and the levers have adjustability for increasing or reducing the lever range and make it more comfortable. And at high speeds at 50 plus miles an hour they did a fantastic job. Top speed. Maximum speed reached 28 miles an hour, so it's a class 3 e-bike, but once you hit that speed level it will slow down to 27.5 miles and you have to push more and pedal more aggressive. Only on the throttle, with my weight 230 pounds, I get 25 to 26 miles an hour. We have 5 speed settings on this model. Acceleration. Just pedaling, it will engage after a full pedal turn and it's on a slower side. Best startup results will achieve using pedaling and pressing the throttle at the same time. Combined, very torquey and pretty powerful. I'm very surprised with 160 pounds and extra weight on this frame and a second speed option, the bike will take off with more than enough power. Very comfortable, balanced and controlled ride. Range. I was able to cover 28.3 miles in range, first 20 miles on a 5th speed level assist, and the remaining range I was able to load 160 pounds with these two Peak Design bags, which are the best gear and traveling options I know of. I was able to load up 70 pounds in a 45-liter backpack and 90 pounds in a travel 65-liter duffel bag, and rode the rest of the range on a second speed. I did not need to increase to the higher assist level. Surprised and happy with the results. This bike is set up to deliver enough power, torque and speed in a second speed option, and I was cruising between 15 to 20 miles an hour very comfortably. Good control, pleasant ride, and this e-bike, despite passing the limit, like the bags, can hold up much more weight. The frame is light, a bit high, but still manageable with extra load. Maximum limit 350 pounds, and I was able to load up 390 pounds and still ride very well and comfortable. The suspension front fork is surprisingly good, same level of performance as more expensive models under $2,000, plenty of travel and rebound very well without any adjustability out of the box. I forgot the water bottle on the front rack and it was there until I got home. The rear suspension was slightly shorter travel than half an inch. Not bad off-roading with my weight, but for a rider under 175 pounds might be just a bit stiffer. Hill climbing, it's a powerful setup. Here I'm on the second speed level and I'm not pushing that hard and the bike does well. And switching to the 5th speed level just out of curiosity, and the bike wants to pick up speed. And all of this 160 pound extra weight and the power is limited and the bike performs well. The competition in the e-bike sector is brutal, and Tesgo seems to do well and able to offer a compelling option with the Explorer in the 26-inch segment. For $1249, you get a decent Class 3 e-bike. The 26 by 4-inch tires, the dual suspension frame with a powerful motor will roll over anything, and you can take this cargo e-bike pretty much over any type of terrain comfortably. There are multiple 26-inch fat tire e-bike options today available in the market. This model stands out with the lowest price I know of today, with overall good quality, good components, and the cargo setup out of the box offering you the option of having an e-bike capable to tackle cargo off-road, good performance, light, nimble, and fun to ride. That is way better than I was expecting. Guys, I hope you like this model and this will fit your needs. If it does, smash that like button so others can see this video, and I'll see you next time.